This video is to show you how to build a seventh chord over a particular bass in the inversion and quality that is given to you. So in this first problem, the note that is given to you is a D flat, and we have to figure out what second inversion half diminished seventh chord has this D flat in the bass. Now the first thing that we can remember, and I'm going to work next to the one that's given to you. I always recommend using scrap paper, working in pencil. So this is the final chord we're going to write, and I'm just writing over here using this part of the bar as scrap paper. We know that a second inversion chord has the fifth of the chord in the bass. Remember, a root position chord has the root of the chord in the bass. First inversion chord has the third of the chord in the bass, and a second inversion chord has the fifth of the chord in the bass. So that means that the third and the root would be below it. It's a seventh chord, so the seventh would be above it. So the chord is going to look something like this, but now we need to figure out if we require any accidentals to make sure that we have the right intervals. A half diminished 7 chord should be a diminished triad and a minor 7th from the root of the chord to the 7th. A diminished triad consists of 2 minor thirds stacked on top of each other. So if we start at this D flat that we were given, and we count down 1 minor third, that's 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. So this should not be a B natural, it should be a B flat. Now let's count down 3 half steps from the B flat. 1, 2, 3. And that should be a G natural, and that's what we have. Now let's go up 1 minor 7th from that G. A minor 7th is 10 half steps, so we're going up 10 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's an F natural, and that's what we have. So now we know these are the 4 pitches that we need to put in this chord. We want to spell it out in chorale voicing. All we have to do is take those pitches and space them out within the tessitura of the voices. And there we have it. There's your answer. Let's do it one more time here. The bass note that is given is the bass of a third inversion dominant 7th chord, is what you're told. Now, third inversion means that that is the 7th of the chord. So we build the snowman underneath. Now, a dominant 7th chord is a major triad with a minor 7th between the root and the 7th. So let's go down that minor 7th from the D down to some sort of E, and we'll see if we have the right E. Let's see. So we're going down 10 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so that should be an E natural. That's the right note. Now we're going to go up. Oh, now we need to build a major triad, because it's a major triad with a minor 7th. We've figured out that minor 7th, so now we need to make sure that this is a major triad. A major triad has a major third between the root and the third, and a minor third between the third and the fifth. So let's see if we've got a major third from the E to the G there. A major third is 4 half steps, so let's go up 4 half steps from the E. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be a G sharp. let's go up 3 half steps from the G sharp to make sure that we have the right type of B in there. 1, 2, 3. We do have the right type of B. That's a B natural. Oh, one thing to mention when you're counting on a pitch wheel like this, don't count the pitches themselves, 1, 2, 3. Count the spaces in between them, the intervals that you're moving, 1, 2, 3. If you count the pitches themselves, like 1, 2, 3, you will always lose a half step in there. So yeah, count the spaces. Okay, so now we need to put these pitches in chorale voicing. And of course there are many possible ways that this could be voiced that would be lovely, but we'll go with that one. And then there you have it.